So this came from a video where I said that you only need a shot glass worth of detergent for any size load that you're washing. And of course, this comes with some caveats, but for the most part, as long as you are keeping up with your laundry, separating your laundry correctly, that's really all you're going to need. The average size load is about 8 pounds. If you have a washer at home, generally it's not going to fit more than that. So using more detergent than that is actually going to ruin your clothes. It's going to leave a residue. It's going to make sure that the dirt and stuff is not all coming out. It's just going to get a little, you're going to notice it. You're going to be able to start to feel it in not too long. So let's get into it. First and foremost, the manufacturers of laundry detergent are a business. They want to empty your wallet as quickly and as often as possible. So they're going to recommend that you use a lot more detergent than you actually need so that they can get you to repurchase their product sooner than you would if you were using the correct amount. In this article from the New York Times, they say that 2 tablespoons per load at most. That's for big loads weighing 12 pounds or more. The average load usually weighs around 8 pounds. So anything that is not overly dirty, that doesn't, if you don't see it on there, you're not going to need anything else. Besides, if you do have a more heavily soiled load, I wouldn't recommend using more detergent. I would recommend using baking soda. And we can talk more about that in a minute. But it also says some detergent manufacturers are going to lie on the label. Again, they're a business. They want your money before anything else. Here we are again. You can use a shot glass, which is about 1.5 ounces. This is from consumerreports.org. They do a lot of research. They're a great resource. I use them for everything. They will teach you a lot about a lot of different things. And then here, this is from the cleaninginstitute.org. This is why. Excess suds can cause problems. In high efficiency washers, which is what laundromats use, by cushioning or preventing the tumbling action, this can impact proper cleaning. So if you use too much detergent, then it can hinder your clothes getting cleaner instead of help them get cleaner. So as I said earlier in the video, you can use baking soda to help get your stuff cleaner. It's going to make sure that there's no smells in it. Baking soda is just going to make sure your clothes are cleaner, basically. You can use it anywhere in the kitchen, bathroom, laundry room. It's magic. So just to kind of summarize, basically, as long as you are keeping up with your laundry on a regular basis, whether it's weekly or bi-weekly, one person is not going to make enough laundry that you need any more detergent than can fit in a regular shot glass. If you are dividing it into colors, whites, and maybe light colors, then again, you're not going to have enough clothes per load to need more. If you're washing anything that is heavily soiled, use baking soda to help get everything out. It is magical. You can also use vinegar. That is not going to leave a scent. I've spoken about it before. I love baking soda and vinegar in the laundry process. It is absolutely insane what it does. And it really does help get everything cleaner. So, moral of the story, use less detergent, use more vinegar, baking soda. Just be cautious of how much you're using and don't always trust the labels on the bottles that you purchase.